have one of these. Do you have the original one?
Hmm?
The ghost one?
Yeah. You have two different things. Platinum and Supreme.
And you don't have the XL?
No.
No. Okay. So, okay. Try this one.
Mm-hmm. $25.49.
What's up, my K-Bays? It's your girl Kay, and you already should know there's no other way without your home girl Kay. So y'all read that title and y'all seen that thumbnail. So y'all know what we're doing today. So we're not going to make this intro too long. So make sure you like this video, comment down below, hit that post notification so you can be notified when I post, and let's get into this video. If I'm looking this way, I'm in my mirror, but you guys can see what I'm going to do. So first, first thing you want to do is put on your cap. And you guys, it is important of the color of your cap. I like these caps better because they're closer to my skin complexion. You guys can see, like, it's closer to my skin complexion. As to the other caps, the lighter ones that people put makeup on for, you know, lighter toned people, I don't use those ones. I use this one. So, might have to change my scissors. So cut them ear tabs out. The smaller the hole, the better it will stick on your head. So I see people always cutting out big holes in their ear. Don't cut out big holes. The smaller the hole, the better. Just stretch it out around your ear. It's a cap. So you see how small that hole is? I'm going to try and tuck my ear through that. If it rips a little bit, it rips, but they'll be down. The smaller the hole, the better. But before that, we're going to sew this back up. I had to pause this video because I know it was in fast mode, but this part is crucial. Y'all, when y'all are doing these caps, your cap doesn't need to be this color. It needs to be wet, just like that. Like, it needs to be wet so you can see your skin through the cap. It needs to be wet. And then you go in and blow dry. Alright, so it's dry. So now we're going to cut off the stocking cap. And now I'm going to peel back these pieces that did not form my hairline, like how far I want it to come down. So now I'm gonna take this Got To Be Freeze and I'm gonna go across the hairline to melt it down a little bit more so it can stick. So that's how I get that seamless front, y'all. Amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this and my witch hazel. Y'all know I swear by it. And I'm gonna clean the excess freeze spray left on my forehead. I clean that off. So this is who I will be putting on. That bitch, her. So all I did was wash her. And this is the same wig I just had on, y'all. So I'm just re-putting on this same wig. And I'm doing this because for beginners, it's much easier to do like reinstall a wig as to installing one like freshly with the whole lace on it, having to cut it, customize it and everything. So I usually use the Ghost Bond XL to apply my wigs, but they didn't have that in the store. So I had to get Ghost Bond Platinum. But first, I need to get some makeup. I'm gonna take some foundation that's my color and I'm gonna brush it. I have it on a napkin here. It's my color. And I'm gonna paint it on literally this frontal right here. This front part of my lace. Just so that it can blend a little more. And I did go ahead and put that same color on my skin. Well, on my cap. So it can blend. Clean it off again. Your scalp. I probably should have did this before, but it is what it is. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to dot that glue right on the edge of that cap and spread it out. Some on the cap and some on my skin. So if you don't put that glue a little bit on your skin, if you begin to sweat, your cap's going to lift up and so will your lace. And that's it for your install. So make sure you get a little bit on the cap and on your skin. So now I am going in and I'm laying the edge of my lace into the glue and I'm pressing it in with my fingers, but not too hard because your fingers have oil in them and it causes like the glue to become like white if you like keep using your fingers. So I only use my fingers very lightly and then I use the comb and I press it in. As you can see, I'm still pressing it in. And of course, I'm coming out of the camera frame. I do apologize, y'all. I do apologize, but I had to get this part right. So, yeah. But keep on watching. Now you want to take your elastic band and place that right over your frontal at the edge where you place the glue. And you're going to tie that as tight as you can take it because that is going to melt that lace further into your skin. And so I took it off. I did my baby hairs off camera because they were giving me so much trouble. So I did them off camera and this is what I ended up with. Now I'm going to put on a wrap strip so I can lay down my edges, well, my baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing. All right, y'all. So this is the part where you go and either blow dry your hair out or flat iron it or curl it or style it. However you are going to wear this hair, this is that time to do that. So you want to get that top flat because you don't want no Humpty Dumpties. And you're going to get that hair flat because, you know, stomach flat, weave flat. That's all we like, chicken flats. But, you know, so that's what I'm doing. So keep on watching. I'm going to hop back in when I feel like I need to come back in and talk to y'all. But right now, you see I clearly finished straightening it. And it's looking silky. So the next thing you're going to see me do is cut off them wrap strips and we're going to reveal those baby hairs. All right, y'all. So that is the end of this video. And I wanted to say this is how I wear my hair. This is how I do my hair. I am not the best. I am not a professional. I am not a cosmetologist. But this is what I've learned. And this is what these hands can do. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Comment down below that you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But this is the final look, y'all. I usually wear my hair straight. Sometimes I curl it, but majority of the time I wear it straight. But that is how I put on my wigs. So I love y'all, and as I always say, stay beautiful, love God, and be blessed. I love y'all, my K-Bays, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias down below. Love y'all. Bye, guys.